One of the things that happens in schools is that the presence of people like Maria is a good example for kids to emulate a hard work ethic and a happy demeanor.
She connects with family and students in a way that I can't explain. It is just magical.
She is the heartbeat of the school, and she is the soul of the community.
Her demeanor is, her attitude is, whatever needs to be done, I'm going to take care of it. And I aspire to be like Maria one day in life. Maria Sousa is a person who makes everyone feels welcomed. Anytime she's walking around, she makes sure she sees students, she makes sure she sees parents by acknowledging them, by greeting them, and students feel very comfortable speaking with her.
Maria is amazing. She just has a heart that is always willing to help, go beyond her job description, and just is there.
I think one of Maria's biggest contributions is the result of the work that she does. The students have a beautiful campus to learn on. The buildings are clean inside and out. The landscape is nice. That's another good way that she demonstrates how things should be to the students.
She doesn't necessarily stand alone as a custodian. She is a caregiver. She is a mentor. You can find her not only mowing lawns and watering planters, but tying students' shoelaces as they walk down the hall. She makes sure that everybody has exactly what they need. You don't ever have to ask her. She just seems to know.
I will be at my desk coming in, and I have roses on my desk. So those things impact everybody here, not just to me, but to the students. She'll decorate in the cafeteria. She'll just come out with just these ideas, and so it's very homey.
Something that I learned from Maria is that sometimes you have dark days, sometimes you have bright days, but it's always good to smile and always work hard diligently and be able to get the job done easier so you can have some time.
I've learned that you can never work too hard. She's amazing with the amount of effort that she puts forth in her job. I've also learned from her to be giving to those around you and to your community.
The school means to me a lot. Every job I've been to, I treat it as my own. I just have a passion for everything I do. When the kids come to me, like when I got to feel ready for them to play soccer in the games, he goes, "Oh, thank you, Miss Maria. The grounds looks nice." Inspires me. The kids notice what I do for them, and they come give me hugs and say, "Thank you, Miss Maria," and that really inspires me to come to work every day and seeing the smile of the kids, and it means a lot.